Imagine waking up tomorrow, and your job no longer exists. Not because you failed. Not because the company collapsed. But because a machine does it better. Faster. Cheaper. The question is no longer if AI will change the workforce. The question is, will AI replace every job? This isn't the first time humans feared machines. In the 1800s, factory machines replaced manual labor. In the 1900s, automation replaced millions of manufacturing jobs. But something is different now. Previous machines replaced human muscle. AI is replacing human intelligence. Today, AI can write essays, create art, drive cars, analyze legal contracts, even diagnose diseases. According to major economic reports, automation could affect up to 40% of global jobs in the coming decades. But affected doesn't mean erased. And that distinction matters. Some jobs face higher risk than others. Repetitive, predictable, rule-based tasks. High-risk jobs, data entry clerks, telemarketers, cashiers, basic customer support, truck drivers, with autonomous vehicles, warehouse workers. AI thrives on repetition. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't ask for raises. For businesses, automation means lower costs and higher efficiency. Cut to expert style quote overlay. If a job can be reduced to patterns, AI can likely learn it. Not all jobs are equally vulnerable. Lower risk jobs, nurses and healthcare workers, teachers, therapists, skilled trades, electricians, plumbers, leadership roles, creative strategists. Why? Because they require empathy, human trust, physical adaptability, emotional intelligence. AI can assist a doctor, but patients still want a human delivering the diagnosis. Every technological revolution destroys some jobs and creates new ones. When cars replaced horses, blacksmiths declined. But mechanics, engineers, and highway planners emerged. AI is already creating new roles. AI engineers, prompt designers, robotics technicians, AI ethicists, data analysts, automation consultants. The World Economic Forum estimates that while millions of jobs may disappear, millions more will be created. The real challenge isn't job loss. It's job transition. The biggest danger isn't that humans will become useless. It's that skills will become outdated. AI is moving faster than education systems. Faster than government policies. Faster than worker retraining programs. A factory worker cannot become an AI engineer overnight. That gap creates economic tension. Without adaptation, inequality could grow. But here's what most people misunderstand. The future may not be AI versus humans. It may be AI plus humans. Studies show workers using AI tools are often more productive, not replaced. The accountant who uses AI finishes faster. The writer who uses AI researches quicker. The doctor who uses AI detects disease earlier. The real risk isn't losing your job to AI. It's losing your job to someone who knows how to use AI. The real question isn't whether AI will replace us. It's whether we are ready to evolve with it. The future of work isn't written by machines. It's written by how we choose to use them. AI is a tool. The outcome is still in human hands. Adaptation is the new job security. So, will AI replace every job? Short answer, no. Long answer. AI will transform nearly every job. Some roles will vanish. Many will evolve. New ones will appear. Humans are adaptable. We've survived every industrial revolution so far.